Hi everyone, Lex Albrecht here with Sena, and this is the Sena C1 cycling helmet. It's part of Sena's full lineup of cycling solutions that all feature Sena's world-renowned communication technology. The extra special thing about the C1 is the fact that it's Sena's most affordable cycling solution. So let's take a look at why Sena's technology makes this C1 so special. In the back, you'll see that there's an integrated rear light that flashes. These are the control buttons for the C1 where you can turn the volume up and down. And on the sides, these are the speakers. If you look closely, you can see the little speaker holes. They're placed precisely where your ears are to direct the sound exactly where you want to hear it. This microphone has excellent wind noise canceling technology so that the people who you're speaking with, whether you're riding with them or you're talking to them through a telephone, can hear you super clearly. Some people use the C1 primarily to stay connected to their phone so that they can take calls or listen to their music, but other people really like to use it so that they can stay connected to the people that they're riding with. In fact, you can pair up to 4 riders wearing the C1, and the distance between the riders can extend up to 300 meters. The C1 comes in 2 colors, so you get to take your pick from gray or white, and it comes in 2 sizes as well, medium and large. Now let's go over how to use the C1. When you first get it, to turn it on, press and hold the plus button and the center button for 1 second.
Hello.
To charge the C1, all you have to do is open up the charge port and use the USB-C cable that's included in the box, or any USB-C cable, and you'll have 6 to 10.5 hours of talk time. Now that's quite a bit. The thing that makes the talk time vary is the number of functions you're using, like the rear tail light, for example. A full charge takes only 2.5 hours. The first time you turn on your helmet, it will invite you to connect with a phone.
Phone pairing.
To pair the C1 to your phone, simply go into your device's settings, Bluetooth settings, and select the C1.
Your headset is paired.
From there on in, whenever you turn your helmet on, it will automatically pair with your phone as long as it's within range. Once you're connected, if you want to turn the volume up, press the plus button. And to turn the volume down, press the minus button. To use the C1's LED taillight, all you need to do is tap the plus and minus button once, and the LED light will turn on. If you tap the buttons a second time, you'll enter into the night flash setting, and a third time, you'll enter into the day flash setting. Then to shut the LED lights off, just press the buttons one more time. You can also use the Sena Cycling App to adjust all of the LED taillight settings. To pair your helmet with a friend via Bluetooth, press and hold the center button until you hear Intercom pairing.
Intercom pairing.
Now your partner will have to do the exact same thing. One of you has to tap the center button once. The helmets will automatically seek each other out and pair. So that's it. The controls are pretty simple, but the technology is extra cool. That's how you use the C1 helmet. Enjoy the ride.